We're both back?
Yes,
we're all back.
Don't you? Yeah, you mean we're all back?
We're all back.
All back.
We're all back. We're so sorry. We're all back. We're so sister.
Are we trying more snacks?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
You ready to try some food?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
well let's
Yeah.
let's do it.
Let's do it.
Which one you want to do first?
This one.
This one.
Okay. The
Okay.
one that
Is that Winnie the
kinda
Pooh?
know.
Yeah, the poo.
I know it's inside of it. I know what it looks like.
Ah, okay.
I know what it looks like.
Yeah, it's got a little picture on there. It looks like it's got something inside of it. It looks like a marshmallow. All right.
Okay.
I need to show them the package.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of marshmallows.
There's
Me neither.
one human word on here that we can pronounce is Disney.
It's English word.
English word Disney.
Hold on, Law.
Wow.
We gotta. There,
Ooh,
show
it
that.
looks like a pillow.
It does look like a pillow. Hold on, we gotta tear it.
And one of the
We can share.
YouTubers that I watch
Good
actually
Lord.
Tear that one in half.
tried
What
this.
in
Tear that one in half for you and Mo.
name- Oh my God.
Here you go, Law.
Give me some strawberry.
Ooh, oh, wow.
It just fell on your arm. There, you can
Here, put it in your mouth.
No, you can put it back in there.
In your mouth.
It smells good.
Wow.
What in
What? I could put in my mouth.
This is what it looks like on the inside, and yeah.
Nope.
the?
As I said,
No.
Mm.
I like
More power to you. I don't like marshmallow. And
I
that's
don't
what
either.
It's a marshmallow.
And then, but the strawberry paste wasn't too bad.
It
but
wasn't
the
bad,
marshmallow
but,
just killed it.
Yeah.
I
Marshmallow.
Okay, here. Let's do
Marshmallow
this
killed
one.
the whole thing.
No, the glaze cooked.
This is another, what is that? Cheeto puff? Law, we're doing this one. We're gonna do that one last.
Ginormous.
Oh, okay, spit it out. This one, what was it? Corn?
It's a
Stop.
corn puff thing.
Yeah, the corn puff thing. I think this one's supposed to taste like apple.
Give me one of those so I can pick this up.
I think this is supposed to taste like apple. Because it's got an apple on it.
Don't throw it on the stand. I just need one. I don't need the whole pack.
Okay.
Latex.
That was
Here you go.
disgusting.
I don't need a lot of those.
But you didn't have to throw it on the thing.
Here, Law.
You gonna try it? You're not gonna try it this time?
We think it's supposed to taste like apples.
It has like apple. It has like apple.
Ah.
God, what is that?
I'm gonna smell this.
It tastes like apple.
I don't like apple.
Oh, that's actually pretty good.
Yeah. It's just. Hold on, we're gonna try. Alana, hand us that
You know,
one with the
kind of
lime.
what it tastes like?
The taste.
Like Apple Jack.
One.
Yeah, like a giant Applejack.
Like Apple Jack cereal. That's what it
Uh-huh.
tastes like.
But I don't know, too much corn. Stop, Law. Be still.
I don't like apple.
No.
Oh,
Hold on,
look.
we're gonna try. Get that one right there. That.
Yeah.
Yep.
No, that.
You wanna
No,
try
that's
it?
last.
Look, this has got a
Lion on it.
lion on it.
Oh wait, hold on, hold on. What's that?
Orky, porky. I don't
Let
know.
me show
I
them
don't
the
know.
package.
Okay. Well, hurry up because he's getting very upset because he wants the strawberry one.
Are you gonna try this one?
Comment
No.
down below if you know what any
Why?
of these say
I
or
don't need
what they
it.
are.
But it's little sticks. You don't. Well, no, it's not a little stick. Hold on.
It's not a little stick.
Oh wait, yeah, it's little sticks.
It's little sticks.
You wanna try a little stick,
I'm
Lana?
gonna show them a little stick. Oh, I got a whole one.
It smells okay.
This is what it looks like.
I think it's one of those what Pocky sticks. It's like the inside of a Pocky stick. It's just not dunked in anything. It's good.
I never tried a pocket
It's
stick.
not bad.
Yes, you have.
I don't remember it.
They were those things from Thailand. They kind of smell like coffee.
What does it smell like?
I don't know, but I think it tastes pretty good. I like the subtle little, just light hint of flavor that they got there. It's pretty good.
That's good. I like that. Lachlan
You
likes
like
it.
it, Lon?
He's eating it. That's good. Okay.
Ain't
Okay, the
delicious.
next thing we're gonna try is this one again, and we think it's gonna taste like hamburgers.
Nope. Look at the bottom.
Teriyaki! Teriyaki.
It's teriyaki flavor.
Uh-huh.
Oh Lord! It's at the top too, teriyaki.
But
But it also does have a burger at the beginning. So
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's teriyaki burger.
yeah,
Maybe it's that. Maybe it's
Hold on. We're gonna do this just that in just a second. We're just gonna try this first.
oh God.
Yeah, they fall apart.
Okay,
Here, you want to try that?
No.
Well, there's teriyaki.
Mommy, I'll wait for
It
you.
kind of tastes like a burger a little bit too.
I'm giving that box.
I smell burger.
I don't know. I didn't get a huge
We're
taste.
fixing the.
Give it to him so he can hold on to it. I'm gonna taste this some more.
Are you ready to try this one, Mom?
Okay, this is like my least favorite, and I love teriyaki.
I love teriyaki, and this is my most
I didn't
favorite.
mind it so much. It's actually okay.
That's not bad. It's just like not my favorite.
I think I like the Applejack one better than that one.
Yeah.
I like the teriyaki better than that one.
The
Okay.
Applejack one and the pizza one.
Which one was
Oh,
it?
the
Yeah.
pizza one. If you haven't seen that video, go click
It
on
should be down there.
And yeah. Go
Okay.
check it out.
Lachlan, what is this?
Strawberry.
Some kind of strawberry candy? Some kind of strawberry candy.
Let's see what it is.
Let me go.
Maybe.
Let me go show them.
Hold on.
The paper's sticking
Yeah, I'm having issues.
to everything.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, look, and there's 4 of them.
There's
Okay,
li-
show them
they're-
again.
they're
And
little
there's just little
Strawberry
Spheres.
balls.
strawberry balls. You better get these for your son gets them. Okay. Gummy.
It's a gum.
Is it gum or candy?
It's gum.
Might be gum. Tastes good.
Yeah, at least the flavor's not really overpowering.
Their gum is very soft compared to our gum. Our gum is like, and their gum is just real soft.
And this is like,
The flavor's
make
not
sure
bad.
he does not swallow that.
I think it might be too late.
Did you swallow it?
Wow. Did you eat it? Thank you.
Let's try that one again.
You like the little Pocky sticks?
Okay, well the gum is kind of weird.
Too soft.
It's really soft. I think the Pocky sticks or whatever these actual things are called. I think those might be the hit of this one. What you think?
Yeah, probably so.
This one's the,
The
heaviest.
Pocky sticks and the Applejack, huge Applejack stick.
Yes, that was pretty good.
That's the only thing that's getting a thumbs up for me.
This gets a big thumbs up. That gets a middle thumb. I don't really like it, but I still
You
like
want
it.
to try this again?
And this one gets a thumbs up. And
You want to
so
try this
does
again,
the-
folks?
No, because there's no more
And
in
There's
there.
no more. It's all gone.
So does this.
We
This
tried
gets
all
a
the ones
thumbs
that
up.
was in there. We got to get some more, don't we?
Everything
Say-
else gets a thumbs
Tell
up.
them, say, you don't need that.
But
You
say,
don't need that. Tell them, say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
say like,
Like,
share,
share,
and subscribe.
And now there's no share button.
Also say comment down below.
comment down below.
What should they comment down below?
I said whatever they want.
Yeah, what they thought about the video.
What should we do
Ideas for other things for us
improvements?
to snack on. Yeah.
Yeah. What you want us to do?
Oh, what should I do in my vlogs?
Yeah. Tell them. Say.
Bye.
See you later.
Peace
Say
out.
later.
Spit that out.